welcome guys, welcome to another video of Namka Engineer. So today I am showing you a design of nut and bolt assembly and single nut and bolt. So let's start the video, watch it. So at first I have to go at top plane and select the sketch, top plane sketch. So we have come to the sketch and then I am selecting the hexagon and select this line and make it a horizontal. You can see the rotation, and after that I am putting the smart dimension of this tool 19 mm. Okay, it is done. Now I am going to extrude it, and extruding from blind to mid plane, and the dimension is 7 mm. Okay, it is done. Okay, you can see it. Now I am going to the sketch of Now I am going to the sketch option at this point. Okay, I come to the point and making a circle. Okay, done. Now I am selecting the circle and the line and making it tangent. Okay, done. Now I am going to extrude cut and clicking the flip side to cut. Okay, then click on the drop tool and put it 60 degree. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, it is done. Now I'm going to the back portion and sketch. After sketch, I'm putting a circle inside it and giving it dimension of 10 mm. 10 mm. Okay, now I'm going to extrude it. Extrude 45 mm. Okay, it is done at 45 mm. Now I'm going to the chamfer tool and making a chamfer of 1.5 mm. Okay, done. Now I'm going to put a fillet at this point and 1 mm fillet. Okay, done. Next I have to draw a sketch at here and making a convert entities of this point. Okay, convert entities. Okay, done. I mistakenly I draw this. Okay, not a matter. Trim it. Okay. Now I have to draw a. Now I'm going to draw a helix at here. Okay. Now I have to draw helix at height and revolution. Okay. Height is 30 mm. At first I have to reverse it and put the pitch of 2 mm. Oh no. I'm making a mistake. Height and pitch, sorry. A pitch of 2 mm. Okay, done. So helix is done. Now I have to go at top plane. Now I am in the right plane. Right plane. Okay, I came to the right plane option and normal. Mm, okay. Now I have to draw another hex of 3 and draw it here. Okay, it is done and making it. Now next please select the point and this point horizontal and this point vertical and put the smart dimension of this point. Now put this dimension at 1.5 mm. Okay, it is done. And exit sketch, sweep cut, select the hex. Now guys, you can see the helix, and now I am going to swipe joint it. So let's start. Okay, so one more thing is here. uh, I have to go for sweep, so I have to sketch one hex of three units, and now I have to fillet it this point of 0.386 mm. Okay, it is done. Now I'm going to exit it. Okay, now my thread is ready, and next I have to draw at this point because it is not necessary. So I have to convert entities, and next what I'm doing, that is extrude cut. Extrude cut at the point of through all. So click at right. Okay, now it is done. Okay guys, now I have to save it. At first I have to hide this drawing. Oh no. Okay, done. Now I am selecting the material. Okay, metal, steel, and carbon steel. Okay, done. Now I'm going to save it. I'm saving this at nut bolt assembly, and this is bolt. Okay. At first, I'm telling you that I draw a bolt part, so I'm going to the direct assembly point. If you are interested to see the bolt drawing, then please tell me at the comment box, and I will draw and show you the bolt drawing. Okay, assembly. Now you can mate it. Do mechanical mates, screw, pitch distance 2, and then select the faces, this face and that face. Okay, now it is assembled. See its cross-sectional view, cross-sectional views. Okay guys, you can see it.